Good morning. This is Danny Bella Motor Cars. I wanted to share with all of you in the community my finished 1974 Porsche 911. This was for the Porsche group build that started about 3 years ago. I'm way behind, so please excuse my tardiness, but you know how it is, life. Well, just real quick, like I mentioned, 1974 911 aspirated, based on the kit that you can see behind. It's a Fujimi. To start, I didn't know what color I was going to use, but I had a few cans of orange, or Tamica orange. When I lay it down, it kind of grew up on me. Originally, I wanted to paint it black with gold graphics, but I wanted something brighter for my shelf. So after finishing it up, I said this was the right decision. I like the color. To tweak it a little bit, give it a little bit of my personal touch, I lowered the suspension. I like that little look. And also on the interior, I saw a Porsche one time. I went to Daytona Raceway, and someone had parked their own personal Porsche, and he had like plaid details on the interior. Always catch my eye. It's a nice detail. So I just went on Google, printed my own decals, and used it on the center of the seat and also on the side panels on the doors. Just a little touch. It kind of blends in with the color of the car, and I like it. Everything else is simple. No, everything just stock. Engine stock. Just did a little bit of wiring, the spark plug wires, but everything else is just stock out of the box. The side mirrors, the rear view mirrors, I don't know if you can see it on the box. They're kind of square, and they were a little larger to my taste. So I just 3D printed these. They're more traditional racing Porsche side mirrors. So I did that, replaced that, and I installed it. And I like the finished look on the car. Put a little Goodyear sticker on it, give tribute to the RX series, and that's it. Now I also started the second year Porsche. Still I'm behind because I think this is the third year, but this is for the second year. I decided to use the same 74 body, same kit. But this, the second body that I had was based on a 930 Porsche from Revell. It was missing the engine, but I had bought the nose, the resin nose, and the engine. I just went into my part box, found a 911 block, but it was originally for a turbo setup. I just scratch built the injection and make it look aspirated, and use solder wire to make my headers and aluminum tips. And that's it. Everything else, the interior, I found a racing seat to replace the bucket seat that came from this kit, and let's see, I'm trying to keep it as close to the RX series Porsche. The wheels are from Scale Production, the Porsche racing tires and wheels. Slick, they're slick, ready to go racing on the streets. I'm almost done. I think I have about a week to go. This poor body went through some accidents. I messed up. I was doing some resin work, and a little drop of resin fell on the quarter panel. messed up my paint job, so I had to repaint it, tape everything up, sand it, prime it, paint it. So the paint is not perfect, which I am not perfect. I'm just building it for fun, and I hope you guys like it. Anyway, so that's what I got so far on the bench. I'm happy to share. I've been watching your channels, guys, your projects, and it's keeping me well motivated, guys. Keep it up. Keep building models, man, and keep away those troubles. After this one, I'll show you what's on the bench after I finish the Porsches. Anyway, guys, keep up the good work. If you like what you're seeing, just like and subscribe, man. It will help me out. Appreciate it, and keep on.